Hello, my name is Joy Lambert, and I am a Reference and Instruction Librarian at Pollock Library. This video will be a short introduction to the database called Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints, or sometimes just referred to as Opposing Viewpoints. To get to the database, click on the Databases icon. From there, click on the G. Scroll down and you'll find Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. If you're not already logged in, you'll be asked to log in through the proxy. Just use your portal login, authenticate through, and you'll be taken to the database. Opposing Viewpoints, just as the name suggests, offers lots of perspectives on different issues from a variety of sources. It is especially helpful if you are researching a controversial topic or something currently in the news. Once in the database, you'll see you can do a quick keyword search and even click here for an advanced search. However, one of the things I like best about this database is that you can browse through issues, and you can do that by scrolling down to find them. The issues in Opposing Viewpoints are grouped by category. You'll see the title of each category and then the number of issues in that category. Some issues may be featured in more than one category. You can also browse all issues. When you click on a category, you'll be taken to an alphabetical list of the issues in that category. When you have selected an issue, you'll be taken to the page for that issue. At the top, you'll find a general overview of the topic. As you scroll down, you'll see a preview of the rest of the sources you'll find on that topic, grouped by source type. I like to tell students Opposing Viewpoints is like one-stop shopping because you can find so many different types of sources in the database. As you scroll down further, you'll see a series of boxes. In each box, you'll see the source type and then the number of items available. The featured viewpoints are articles or essays selected by the people at Opposing Viewpoints because they think are the most pertinent to whatever is going on with that issue at the moment. You'll also find other viewpoint essays in a separate box. In the Academic Journals box, you'll find articles from academic publications. Not all academic journal articles are peer-reviewed, but if an article listed here is peer-reviewed, you'll see that designation next to a check mark. As you scroll through the rest of the types of sources, depending on the issue, you may find primary sources, biographical information for people related to that issue, reference sources like entries from dictionaries or encyclopedias, infographics, video files, audio files, which are usually recordings of stories from NPR or National Public Radio, news articles, magazine articles, statistical information, or even links to websites. When you click on the title of any of the items, you'll be taken to the full text if it's an article, or the file if it's an audio or video file. Sometimes you'll even find commentary on the articles. If the item is something you think would be helpful and you'd like to keep the file or full text for your research, you have several options. You can click Send To, where you are given the options to email, save to OneDrive, or Google Drive. You can also download the file, or in the case of an article, you can print. If you click Cite, it will show you an example of how to cite the item, and you can select different citation styles. These examples, however, are rarely 100% correct, so use this as a starting point and then consult with your citation manual or another citation resource to make any necessary corrections. If you click Get Link, it will show you a permalink or permanent link back to the item that you can then save on your own. Another handy tool within Opposing Viewpoints is highlights and notes. If you highlight a part of the text, the option appears to highlight and/or make notes. Later, when you click on the highlighted section, you will see your notes. If you email yourself the article, the notes and highlighted sections will be included. And that is a very brief overview of opposing viewpoints, a great one-stop shop for your research needs.